Hello everybody, nice to meet you. Welcome back to English class for learning English. Today is meeting 10. We have the topic is about basic elements of computer. Assalamualaikum. Hello everybody. My name is Miss Erlina. I am an English lecturer of Bina Insan University. I would like to inform you all that for English class will be done by online learning. We have a during classes for English class. Well, firstly, as usual, before I start to explain the material, I would like to tell the goals of learning as the competence indicators or skills. Well, there are 4 goals of learning as competence indicators or skills. The first goals or the first indicators, the students are expected to be able to tell some basic elements of computer. The second goals of learning as competence indicators, the students are expected to be able to explain some basic elements of computer based on its function. The third goals of learning as competence indicators, that the students are expected to be able to retell the examples of basic elements of computer based on its function. And then the last goals as competence indicators, that the students are expected to be able to practice of English speaking skill. Well, everybody, at the end of learning, our goals of learning as competence indicators, there are 4 goals of learning. Okay, the students are expected to be able to, number 1, tell some basic elements of computer. And then, number 2, the students are expected to be able to explain some basic elements of computer based on its function. Number 3, the students are expected to be able to retell the examples of basic elements of computer based on its function. And then the last goals of learning, the students are expected to be able to practice of English speaking skill. So in overall, before I start to explain the material, I would like to tell the goals of learning as competence indicators or skills. Okay, I will continue. Next slide. Point A. Basic elements of computer. Here are the examples of basic elements of computer. Look at the elements below. Well, everybody, let us read together. You may allow for repeating after me. Are you ready? Okay. Let us read together. You may repeat after me. Here are the examples of basic elements of computer. Look at the elements below. The first example, mouse, mouse. Second example, keyboard, keyboard. Third example, monitor, monitor. The fourth example, memory, memory. The fifth example, motherboard, motherboard. The sixth example, hard disk, hard disk. Seventh example, speakers, speakers. And the last example, modem, modem. Well, everybody, you may repeat and try to read some examples of basic elements of computer at your home by yourself. Okay, once more time, let us try for reading together. Are you ready? Okay, you may allow for repeating after me. Here are the examples of basic elements of computer. Look at the elements below. Mouse, mouse. Keyboard, keyboard. Monitor, monitor. Memory, memory. Motherboard, motherboard. Hard disk, hard disk. Speakers, speakers. Modem, modem. Yeah. Okay, thank you. I will continue for the next slide. Point B, building of knowledge. Well, for this slide, I would like to explain to you for some examples, basic elements of computer based on its function. Well, number 1, mouse. Mouse is used for operating the system. You can also use computer without mouse, as by using motherboard, but in this case, it will be very tough to use a computer. So, from this statement, it can be concluded that the function of mouse is used for operating the system. You may find out as the keyword for the function of the elements mouse. So from the sentence mouse is used for operating the system, you can also use computer without mouse as by using motherboard, but in this case it will be very tough to use a computer. Which one is the keyword as the functions of the elements of mouse? Could you find it? Which word? Yes, as the keyword for the function elements of mouse is the word operating. Okay. So the function of mouse is used for operating the system. As the keyword is the word of operating. Yes. So the function of elements mouse is used for operating the system. Okay. It is as the keywords for the elements mouse. Number 2, keyboard. Keyboard is used for giving input to the system, and system gives output to the user. There are many things which we can't do without keyboard. It means that we can't type anything without a keyboard. Wow! Based on this statement, which one as the keyword for the functions of element keyboard? From the sentence, keyboard is used for giving input to the system, and system gives output to the user. There are many things we cannot do without keyboard. It means that we cannot type anything without a keyboard. Okay, which one as the keyword for the function of element keyboard based on the statement, based on the definition? Yes. Okay. That's good. As the keyword is the word of, yes, giving input. Yeah. Okay, giving input is okay. Keyboard is used for giving input to the system. And then the second word as the key, yeah, as the keyword for the function of keyboard is type. Yeah, keyboard is used for typing a letter. Keyboard is used for typing a document, etc. Yeah, so there are two keywords as the function for the elements of keyboard. For the first one is giving input. So keyboard is used for giving input to the system. And then the second keyword as the function of elements keyboard is the word of type. Keyboard is used for typing a letter. Yeah, okay, there are some functions of the elements of keyboard. Wow. Okay. Number 3. What is the elements of number 3? Yes, monitor. Monitor is very essential part of a computer system. It is used for displaying things which we perform on a computer. Okay, once more. I will repeat once more. Number 3. Monitor. Monitor is very essential part of a computer system. It is used for displaying things which we perform on a computer. Well, who knows what is as the keyword for the function of element monitor? Yes, good job. The keywords as the function of elements monitor, the word of displaying. Yes, so monitor is used for displaying things. Monitor is used for displaying picture. Monitor is used for displaying video. Yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, are you with me? I hope so. Well, number 4. Motherboard. Okay, we read the definition. Motherboard is also a necessary element of a computer system. It contains different elements as memory, processor, modem, slots for graphic card, and LAN card. Well, I will repeat once more. Number 4, motherboard. Motherboard is also a necessary element of a computer system. It contains different elements as memory, processor, modem, slots for graphic card, and LAN card. So, who knows which one as the keyword for the function of element motherboard based on the definition or based on the statement? Yes. As the keyword from the sentence contains different elements. Yeah. Okay. It contains different elements as memory, processor, modem, slots for graphic card and card. It is the function of the elements motherboard. Okay. Well, we'll continue next. Number 5. What is the element for number 5? Yes, memory. Memory. Okay, we read the definition first. Memory is used for running programs on a computer. LAN card is used for making a network between computers. Well, I will repeat once more. Memory is used for running programs on a computer. LAN card is used for making a network between computers. Okay, everybody? Who knows which one is the keyword for the function of element's memory? Which one? Could you find out as the keyword for the function of element memory? Which one? Yes, good job. The keyword as the function of element memory, the word of running. Yes, running. Well, so a memory is used for running programs on a computer. So it is the function of element memory. Memory is used for running programs on a computer. Good. I will continue. Number 6. Hard disk. Okay. Hard disk is used for storing data permanently on computer. Hard disk is used for storing data permanently on computer. So, from this statement, which one is the keyword for the function elements of hard disk? Who knows? Anyone who can find out the keyword for the function of element hard disk based on the statement hard disk is used for storing data permanently on computer? Which one is the keyword? Yes, that's good. Yeah, the keywords for the function of element hard disk, the word of storing. Yes. So the function of hard disk is used for storing data permanently on computer. Good job. Okay, let us continue. Number 7. Modem. Modem. Okay. Modem is used for connecting internet. Two types of modems exist. One is known as software modems, and other is known as hardware modems. Well, I will repeat once more. For the statement modem is used for connecting internet. Two types of modems exist. One is known as software modems and one other is known as hardware modems. So from this statement, who knows which one is the keyword for the function of element modems? Okay, anyone could tell me please? Which word as the keyword of the function element modem? Yes, good job. The keywords of the word connecting. Yeah, because the function of modem is used for connecting internet. Yes, good job. Don't forget, if you want to make the function of modem as the keyword is connecting. Yeah, is used for connecting internet. It is the function of element modem. Well, the next, number 8, speakers. Speakers. Yeah. Okay, we will read the definition. Speakers are also included in basis elements of a computer, but It is not necessary as a computer. It can perform its function without this. However, we use it for multiple purposes. Speakers can be said as a sound system. Well, I will repeat once more. Number 8. Speakers. Speakers are also included in basic elements of a computer, but it is not necessary as a computer. It can perform its function without this. However, we use it for multiple purposes. Speakers can be said as a sound system. So which one as the keyword for the function elements of speakers? Anyone could tell me, please? Which one? Which sentence or which word, which phrase that show as the keywords for the function of element speakers? Yes, good job. Yeah, okay. Sound system as the keywords, the function of speakers, yeah, as a sound system. Yes, yeah, because speakers is used for as a sound system. Yes. Well, it is easy, isn't it? Okay, don't forget, you may try to remember the keywords of the function of each elements basic computer. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll continue. Discuss the questions below with your friends. Then answer the questions in your answer sheet. Wow. You may discuss the questions below. Then don't forget answer the questions in your answer sheet. The questions. Number 1. What are the basic elements of computer? Okay. Okay, number 1. Just mention what are the basic elements of computer. What are the basic elements of computer according to you? Yeah. Well, there are 3 questions that will be answered by yourself in your answer sheet. Question number 1. According to you, what are the basic elements of computer? Question number 1. What are the basic elements of computer according to you? Yeah. And then question number 2. How many basic elements of computer do you know based on the text above? Question number 2. How many basic elements of computer do you know based on the text above? Please write them. Question number 3. See the pictures below. Then explain the function of these objects in your understanding. Question number 3. See the pictures below. Then explain the function of these objects in your understanding. A. Okay. Based on this object in your understanding, please explain the function. Yeah, you may choose the elements monitor, it's okay, or you may choose the elements keyboard, it's okay. Explain the function of these objects in your understanding. Yeah. Next, B. Okay. What elements is this? Yeah, it is CD, cassette or CD. Yeah, okay. Yeah, explain the functions of this object in your understanding. And then C. Based on your understanding, what element is this? Yeah, maybe it is the elements of computer, it's okay, or monitor, it's okay. Yeah, explain the function, these objects, based on your understanding. And then D. What element is this? Yes, it is mouse. Yeah, mouse. Okay. Did you still remember what is the keyword, the function of element mouse? Yes, operating. Yeah, mouse is used for operating system. Yeah, okay. You may explain the function, this object in your understanding. Okay. The next, speaking skills. This is your project. Practice of speaking skill. Please practice your English to explain 10 functions, basic elements of computer. You may do it by yourself at home and start to speak your English. Once more, I will repeat once more so that it's more clear. Speaking skill. Practice of speaking skills. Please practice your English to explain 10 functions, basic elements of computer. You may do it by yourself at home and start to speak your English. Instruction. Today, you are going to have a topic about the basic elements of computer. Please, you are ready with yourself to make an English video for practicing your speaking skill. Every students, practice your English to explain 10 functions, basic elements of computer by good intonation, good pronunciation, and don't forget to say your name first. Finally, you have to collect your project via Google Classroom. Thank you. Okay, everybody, this is your project. Speaking skill. Practice of speaking skill. Please practice your English to explain 10 functions, basic elements of computer. You may do it by yourself at home and start to speak your English. The instruction. Today you are going to have a topic about basic elements of computer. Please, you are ready with yourself to make an English video for practicing your speaking skill. Every students, practice your English to explain 10 functions, basic elements of computer by good intonation, good pronunciation, and don't forget to say your name first. Finally, you have to collect your project via Google Classroom. Okay, before I close the class, okay everyone, I would like to let us speak English by practicing English, whether for writing too much. I hope that you are expected to be able to improve your English in speaking. Let us try. Now, let us practice English. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you very much. See you next week. Bye.